the way we were communicating pre-Zipline, there wasn't anything that necessarily shops would check off and say, yes, we did this, it's complete. So you just run on the assumption that, of course, it's all done. From a support perspective, without that visibility, it's difficult to keep your fingers on the pulse of how much information you're giving them, if it's the right amount, if it's too much. So execution, huge question mark to start with. We went from sending out these messages where we had no visibility even into readership or to ensure that our message was reaching our people, to having these really clear, cohesive messages where we could include videos and GIFs and definitely emojis, and really pull our people in and engage them in that fun way with the information they need to know to do their jobs every day. What you're about to see is probably my favorite part about the whole pilot. This first quote from one of our shops: "My team will cry and revolt against me if we take this program away." So this was a huge sign of success in this pilot. You see also ease of use, fantastic, simple, effective. Being out of the business for a week and being caught up in less than half an hour. For those of you who have been in shops, if you're out of the business for a week, my goodness, you have got some reading to do. So the fact that this is what it changed into was incredible.